I used to fall asleep with my phone in my hand, scrolling through things I didn't need, convincing myself I did. One Tuesday morning, I woke up with 3 packages on my doorstep. I didn't remember ordering 2 of them. That was the day I deleted every single shopping app off my phone. Amazon, Shein, Zara, Depop, all of it gone. And what happened next? I didn't expect any of it. The first few days were genuinely uncomfortable, and I don't use that word lightly. I'd reach for my phone out of habit, not because I needed anything, just because the app wasn't there. My thumb literally didn't know what to do. I realized I wasn't shopping because I wanted things. I was shopping because I was bored, because I was anxious, because clicking add to cart felt like doing something, even when I was doing nothing. That's a strange thing to sit with. Okay, so week 2, I checked my bank account, something I'd been avoiding, and I nearly cried. Not sad tears, shocked ones. In the 2 weeks since I deleted the apps, I had spent almost nothing, like embarrassingly close to zero on impulse purchases. I did the math on what I'd been spending before. We're talking hundreds of dollars every single month on stuff I barely remembered buying, stuff that was still in the packaging. That hit different. But here's the thing nobody talks about. The money was the easy part to notice. The hard part, the part that actually changed me, was quieter than that. I started noticing when I was unhappy, like actually noticing it, because I couldn't just numb it with a sale. I started finishing books, calling my mom back, sitting with my morning coffee without picking up my phone, just sitting. And one afternoon, I looked around my apartment and realized I already have everything I need. Not in a Zen poster way, in a very real, very specific way. The things I owned finally had space to mean something. I'd been drowning that out with more. I'm not going to tell you I became a minimalist. I still bought things, eventually, but differently. I'd wait. I'd think. I'd ask, do I actually want this? Or am I just bored right now? And most of the time, it was just boredom. Deleting the apps didn't fix my life, but it made me honest with myself about what I was using them for. And honestly, that was worth more than anything in my cart. If you're thinking about trying it, even just for a week, I think you'll surprise yourself. I know I did. Try it for 7 days. Come back and tell me what you find. What app would be hardest for you to delete? Drop it below.